In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Selleramp plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect at checkout, and how to confirm that your new plan is active. Start by heading to the Selleramp SAS website and signing into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use. If you're on a new device, you might be asked to verify your login, so give that a moment. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, open your account settings. Look toward the top right corner for your profile or an account link, then choose Account. Inside that area, find the subscription section and click it. On mobile, you might need to open a menu first to see these options, but the path is the same: Account, then Subscription. In the subscription area, you're looking for the upgrade controls. Depending on the version of the interface, this might be labeled Modify Subscription, Update Subscription, or simply Upgrade. They all lead to the same place, the screen where you can change your plan. If you don't see it right away, scroll or expand any management or billing panels in that section. Now it's time to choose your new plan. Click Upgrade, then select the plan you want to move to. For example, you might go from Getting Started to Getting Serious, or pick a higher tier if that better fits your needs. Take a moment to read the brief description so you're confident about the choice you're making. Before you finalize, review the payment details. You should see the price difference and how it's being applied. Most upgrades are prorated, which means you'll only pay the difference for the remaining time in your current billing cycle. Confirm that the total looks right and then click Confirm or Select. If your billing details are already on file, payment will auto-adjust and process right away. If anything looks off, back up one screen and check that you picked the correct plan. After you confirm, the upgrade usually takes effect instantly, though it can take a few minutes in some cases. Refresh your dashboard or revisit the subscription page to see the new plan listed. You'll also receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it promptly. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your Selleramp plan. If you want to double check, the plan name should be visible in your subscription details, and your new limits or features should be available immediately or shortly after the change completes.